Knowing how to make stock is an essential skill to have in the kitchen, and with the outrageous prices that stores are charging these days, it's one way to save money while utilizing scraps that you may have otherwise thrown out. So stick around and let me show you how easy it is to make chicken stock that will knock your socks off. First, grab a decent sized pot. Today, I'll be using an industrial stock pot for this recipe, but any generic 4-liter pot will do. I will also be using this giant tea basket thing to place my aromatics in for easy removal. I picked this one up from my local Chinatown for about $10, but you can get them on Amazon for about $20 to $30, depending if it's on sale. The ingredients that I'll be using today are for a basic white stock, meaning the ingredients are not roasted. Starting with 1 head of celery, 2 pounds carrots, 2 pounds yellow onions, 2 bulbs garlic, 2 to 4 tablespoons peppercorns, about 20 dried bay leaves, and lastly, 10 pounds of chicken ribs. Feel free to experiment with other ingredients as well. For example, when I'm making stock from a Japanese curry recipe, I will add in some gala apples for a little extra sweetness, and a few leeks for a more aromatic stock. Open the tea basket and add in your aromatics, peppercorns, bay leaves, and set this aside. Take your pot and drop in your chicken bones first. Next, add in the celery, break it into large chunks, followed by the carrots. If you don't want to break them up with your hands, just use a knife and cut them into large segments. Continue with adding the onions. Also, don't forget to cut these in half. Add in the heads of garlic. If you like a stronger garlic flavor, cut these in half as well. If not, just leave them whole. Now add your tea basket to the pot and cover with cold water. If you use warm water, it'll draw out the impurities in the bones that will dissolve into the stock, resulting in a cloudier stock. Using cold water will allow these impurities to bond with the fat and rise to the top so that we can skim them off, resulting in a cleaner stock. Bring the stock to a simmer and let it cook for 3 to 8 hours depending on how rich of a flavor you're looking to extract. I like to use the full 8 hours for best results. As you can see, we have a scummy foam starting to form on top of the pot. These are the impurities that we need to skim off. Grab a bowl with some water in it and a skimmer to remove the impurities. Check back every hour or so to see if more comes to the top and continue skimming. It's been about 8 hours that we've had the stock simmering, and it's reduced about 2 inches. Grab yourself a few containers that you can transfer the stock into. Use a sifter to help catch any particulates that might get caught when you're transferring the stock. Make sure not to disturb the bottom of the pot when removing the stock, as it will result in a cloudier stock. Now that most of the stock has been extracted, all that's left is to cool it down in an ice bath. And there you have it. Rich and delicious chicken stock that won't cost you an arm and a leg. If you've made it this far into the video and found it helpful, show that subscribe button some love, and if you're looking for another video, check out this chili oil video. It's sure to spice up your life. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Stay saucy, my friends.